Today is a week later since I planted my seedlings for the fall. 2 days later, actually, I had the radishes and the two types of radishes. They start growing 2 days later. And I did put a lot of seeds in the cells, so I had to go ahead and separate those seedlings and put them in a bigger tray for some more space. They did turn out kind of leggy, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. I do have a little bit of lettuce growing. My spinach is struggling, so have to work on that one. My beets and my kale is back there growing. I still have my jalapeno peppers that have not germinated yet, or any of my herbs. So this is week 1. I decided to bring my radishes out. They were struggling for light at the window in my little setup that I have, so I brought them outside on the patio to strengthen up and get some light, better lighting, I should say. And hopefully I can have some, once I thin these out, I can have some that'll be good for planting out in the garden.